Beth and I did a lot of travel last year in our camp. We got a lot of video, but we did not make very many YouTube videos. I'm taking advantage of winter time to go back through our footage and make some videos showing some of the highlights of our trips last year. We did 2 picking trips for our antique shop going to Texas. We typically go Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas. We also went to South Dakota twice, and we went to North Dakota to see Theodore Roosevelt National Park, which was a lot of fun. Do us a favor, if you like the content, give us a like. That really helps our channel grow. Wow, very cool. Well, this is very, very cool. I'm glad Beth and I stopped here. This is absolutely fascinating to see the development of these different rocket propulsion systems. And there have static displays that are just really fascinating. Minuteman Stage 1. It first flew in February of 1961. Design was used on Minuteman 1, 2, and 3 missiles. Most of the static display is from the 50s and 60s. And some of these, we've heard about. What's this one?
This is the Space Shuttle Booster Separation Motor. It's designed to push the reusable solid rocket motors safely away from the Space Shuttle's main liquid fluid tank. Wow.
This Matador booster was built in 1956, the first all-plastic motor built and tested by Thiokol Corporation. I'm kind of glad we stopped and did this. Kyle would really enjoy this. So we're going to the Golden Spike National Historic Site. First immigrant train bound for California, so that's the wagon train. Yep. Union Pacific Big Trestle Site. Central Pacific Big Phil Site.
And 1869 Central Pacific Grade.
Oh, you can see it right over here.
Oh, yeah.
See that long?
Yeah.
That's the grade right there.
Big B.
I thought I was going to say, please, no photography.
119, you have the highball.